Chapter 2 Socialism in Europe and the Russia. Question 5. What were the main changes brought about by the Bolsheviks immediately after the October Revolution? Solution. Many changes were brought about by the Bolsheviks after the October Revolution. They were: 1. Industries and banks were nationalized. This meant that the government now had their ownership and management. The land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. In cities, Bolsheviks enforced the partition of large houses according to family requirements. 2. The use of the old titles of the aristocracy was banned. New uniforms for the army and officials were designed. 3. The Bolshevik Party was renamed as the Russian Communist Party, Bolshevik. 4. Despite opposition by their political allies, the Bolsheviks made peace with Germany and withdrew from the First World War. 5. In the later years, the Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in the elections to the All-Russian Congress of Soviets. It became the Parliament of Russia. Please like and subscribe this channel.